In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Interactive Broker's Impact Dashboard. This tool in Trader Workstation helps you understand how your investments align with the values you care about, using ESG, which stands for Environmental, Social, and Governance criteria. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the dashboard, how to set your preferences, and how to read the results with confidence. First, log in to Trader Workstation, often called TWS. Make sure you're in the desktop platform and that it's up to date so all features load properly. As always, keep your credentials secure and avoid sharing your screen when logging in. Once you're in, head to the portfolio area. This is where TWS organizes your current holdings and key metrics. If your layout looks different, you can expand the portfolio panel or switch to a view that shows your positions clearly. Being in portfolio matters, because the Impact Dashboard draws directly from your actual holdings to run its analysis. Next, click Impact Dashboard. You'll typically see it accessible from within the portfolio context. If it isn't immediately visible, try enlarging the window or checking for an Impact or ESG label near your portfolio tools. When you open it, the dashboard will guide you through a short setup so your preferences are reflected in the analysis. Now, select your values. This is where you tell the dashboard what matters to you. You can focus on themes like clean air, gender equality, ocean life, and fair labor. These selections define the ESG criteria that the system applies to your portfolio. Think of this like setting the lens through which your holdings will be evaluated. If you're unsure, start with a few priorities you truly care about. You can always revisit and adjust these later to see how the results change. With your values set, it's time to analyze your portfolio. The dashboard calculates an overall impact score, which is a quick snapshot of how well your holdings align with your chosen values. Below that, you'll see which positions support those values and which may conflict with them. Use this view to understand the drivers behind the score. For example, a company might rank positively for fair labor, but negatively for ocean life, giving you a balanced picture rather than a single label. Remember, this tool is informational. It doesn't tell you what to buy or sell. It helps you connect your investments to your priorities. Revisit the dashboard periodically, especially after making portfolio changes, to keep your analysis current. That's it. You've logged in, opened your portfolio, launched the Impact Dashboard, set your values, and reviewed the impact score and alignment insights.